Hey there, and welcome to the fifth in a series about conditionals, and this being the mixed conditional. Over the next few minutes, I will provide you with all you need to know about the mixed conditional, and at the end, I will provide you with 10 example sentences. So, let's dive in. A mixed conditional is a type of conditional sentence that combines elements of both second conditional, an unreal or hypothetical condition, and the third conditional, past unreal condition. It is called mixed because it doesn't strictly follow the structure of either conditional type. In a mixed conditional, the conditional clause refers to the past, while the result of the clause refers to the present or the future. This combination allows us to express a hypothetical situation in the past and its potential consequences in the present or the future. Here's the general structure of a mixed conditional sentence. If plus past perfect verb, conditional clause, plus present future verb, result clause. Here are 10 examples of mixed conditional sentences. If I had taken the earlier train, I would be at the meeting by now. If you had studied Polish, you would be able to communicate with the locals during your stay. If it had rained yesterday, the garden would be greener today. If she had saved more money, she would be able to buy a new car. If they had listened to my advice, they wouldn't be in this mess now. If he had gone to bed early, he wouldn't be so tired now. If we had won the lottery, we would be travelling around the world. If you had called me earlier, I would have been able to have helped you. If the team had trained harder, they would have won the championship. If I had known you were coming, I would have prepared a meal for you. In each of these examples, the condition clause refers to a hypothetical or unreal situation in the past, and the result clause expresses the consequence or outcome of that hypothetical situation in the present or the future. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short video on the mixed conditional. Maybe look out for the other 4 short 3-minute videos in the conditional series. That's zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, third conditional, and of course this mixed conditional. Well, I'll see you on the flip side.